Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file right here, and they're trying to bevel an interlocking ring. And it kind of cool. And this is how he did it. He filled it in. I'm going to use yellow. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to nudge these up. And then he got out the bevel tool. And let's zoom in here and look at this. So you've got two objects here that we bevel them. See how it stops right there? But that's what it's supposed to be doing because the object stopped. But he's trying to do an interlocking ring, and he was going off one of my videos, and I had an interlocking ring, but it won't work with a bevel. Interlock won't work. So I'm going to draw two circles, and it's always better to smart fill your circle in. That kind of joins it together and makes one circle instead of two pieces. Now we're going to do this. So if we take this and bevel it, that looks pretty good. I actually made it a little bit thicker so we could go a little bit thicker with our bevel and kind of get that. That's a neat effect. But then we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. So normally, and he's watched my videos or one of videos where I did this right here, and I've got that one selected. Now I'm going to shift select that, and the intersect tool is not there. It's grayed out. It's because this is a bevel. So if we go to bitmap and convert that to a bitmap, whatever color, because somebody that's doing colors is most likely going to print it anyway. You can't tell the difference between the original and the bitmap. So now the intersect tool will work. So grab that, shift select the other. The intersect tool comes up. You made a copy of that. You move it out of the way. Take this one, go up to Object, Order Back a Page. And this one just happens to be on the front of the page. But when I nudge it back down, it covers that up. So the rings look like they are intersected. That's a better example instead of having two colors. So that's how you would bevel, or you would interlock a bevel. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.